Hi, I would like to take a few minutes of your time to talk about 3 ways to reframe negative thoughts and gain confidence. Have you heard people say that this person is completely confident and that person lacks confidence? In my experience, some people are confident in some areas of their life and may not be confident in other areas of their life. Confidence for them could be a work in progress in certain areas of their life. So, what happens when a person does not have confidence in few areas of their life? It could be that the person may be having certain negative thoughts and beliefs about themselves which may be hindering their confidence. So, they do have their inner confidence, but that confidence is not shown because of the limiting thoughts and the beliefs. So, the simple strategy is to help them with reframing these negative thoughts or negative beliefs that they have about themselves. There are 3 simple ways to do it. One method is something which I have used for myself and it's my personal experience. I did not take well to playing sports. I was good at studies, but I was not a good sports player. So when I used to go to the ground, I always thought that I am not good at sports and I never used to play. Then when one of my friends talked to me and I was telling her that I do not like to lose, then she just told me that, you know what, this is not a winning ground or a losing ground, this is a playground. And that shifted my thinking completely. I realized that I was actually playing only to win, and because I was afraid of losing, I did not go to play in a playground. Playground is meant for playing. The secondary thing is winning or losing. So I started realizing that, and actually now I like sports and I like going to the playground. So just making that simple thought that its playground is not for winning or losing, it is for playing. So that has helped me to shift my negative thoughts and beliefs towards sports. The second way to reframe your negative thoughts is by thinking positive. So I had a friend who always used to tell me that she's not good at a job because she just joined newly and she doesn't know anything. So then I asked her, okay, where are you now in relation to your job? Then she told me, I am at the bottommost part of the pyramid. Then I said, okay, good. You are the bottommost. You have no other way but to climb up. So you just have to climb up the pyramid. That's it. It's just reframing the negative belief that you are at the bottommost by thinking that, yeah, you are in the first rung of the pyramid or the first rung of the ladder and you can just climb up. There is a possibility for you to climb up. So showing possibilities is another way of reframing your negative thoughts. And the third and most powerful way, which I believe, and I think to many people whom I talk about is reframing your negative thoughts by becoming clear about your identity and purpose or your mission in life. So when I have a negative thought that I'm a failure or I'm not good at this, the simple thing I think is, okay, why am I doing this? What is my mission? If I'm a failure at this, what is the possibility? How can I proceed forward? And what is my mission? Why am I actually doing this? So once I get clear on my identity and purpose, my focus is not on failure but achieving my purpose. So I hope the people watching this video get some ideas about how to reframe your negative thoughts.